Hey guys, and welcome to week 8 in English class. I wanted to touch base with you very briefly this week and just kind of give you a quick overview of what we have coming up. All right. First of all, due this week, we have to finish Unit 2. So Unit 13 is a review, or Assignment 2.13 is a review, and then Assignment 2.14 is actually your unit test, and again, that's worth 20% of your grade. I just wanted to give you a quick early access to the writing prompt that's in that. So I believe it's 15 questions, and one of them is an essay. And the question it's going to ask you are, what are some of the things you can do to make a friendly letter sound conversational? So go ahead and take a look at that unit in that assignment before you go ahead and write that. At least give you a little bit of heads up, all right? And then when we get into Unit 3, it's beginning to talk about research. So this is going to be modes and methods, the structures and features, and then the last one are visuals. I'm not sure why I wrote virtuals, probably because I write it all every day. So, but this one is about visual effects, graphs, charts, and how to put those into your writing to make it stronger. All right. Now, just to let you know on current pace, so there are all but one of you is on a regular pace. So you should be at 18% by last week, which means at the end of this week by 10/17, which is next Tuesday, you need to be at 21%. If you are in the accelerated class, in other words, if you're a Penn Cambria student and you're doing the block scheduling, you should be at 36% as of yesterday, and by the end of next week, you should be at 42%, right? And the end of the marking period, again, is going to be on 10/25. That's when all work is due, and I want to see 1.01 all the way to 3.07, and that's going to be due at the very latest by 10/26. I wrote 10/25 just to make sure that it's a day in early and I have time to grade, but I will accept them up until midnight at 10/26, all right? If you're in the accelerated pace course, that means you have from 1.01, the beginning of the course, up to the midterm, including the midterm, due by 10/26. And at that time, we're going to go ahead and put those grades. I'll send those grades to the appropriate schools if you're in the accelerated course. So make sure that they are done, all right? If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to help. Other than that, so far I enjoy your work. Out of all of you, most of you are doing really well. I only have one student that's really fallen behind. But everyone else looks good. Any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.